Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. Today I'll show you 3 easy ways to remove rows with identical transactions in Excel using Microsoft Excel 365. Let's get started. In this example, we have some transaction records with some duplicate rows. For example, row 8, 9, 12, and 13. Let's clean it up. In first method, we will use the remove duplicates feature, which deletes the duplicate rows from the selected data. Here's how it works. First, select the whole dataset. Then head to Data tab. In the Data tab, search for Data Tools section. Now click on Remove Duplicates icon. This opens up Remove Duplicates dialog box. In this dialog box, unselect any column that shouldn't be checked for duplicates. For example, unselect Transaction ID as each ID is different for every transaction. Click OK. As you can see here, Excel deleted rows that had matching values in the selected columns. Let's move on to the next method. In second method, we will tag and then delete the duplicate data by using IF and COUNTIF functions. Let's try it out. In a helper column of your choice, in this case column F, type this formula. Let's break it down and see what's going on. In this formula, COUNTIF counts how many times the current cell's value appears up to the current row. In this case, the current row is the second row and the current cell is cell D2. If the COUNTIF's value is greater than 1, show duplicate, otherwise leave it empty. Press enter. Drag down to autofill. As shown, Excel has flagged the duplicate rows. Now, let's sort and remove the duplicate rows. In order to do that, first, select the whole dataset, head to the Data tab, in Sort and Filter section, choose Filter. On the Helper column header, click the down arrow, unselect the blanks, and click OK. Select the duplicate rows, right-click, and choose Delete Row. Press OK. Now head back to Sort and Filter section, click on Clear to remove filter. And there you go. Excel marked and removed the duplicate transactions. Let's move on to the final method. In third method, we will extract only the unique rows to another location using the advanced filter. Let's see how to do that. First, select the whole dataset, head to Data tab, in Sort and Filter section, click Advanced. This will open up Advanced Filter dialog box. Under Action, choose Copy to another location. In Copy to, click the input field and select where you want to place the filtered data. In this case, I chose here. Check the unique records only. Hit OK. As shown, this copies all unique transactions elsewhere, leaving the duplicates behind. And that's it. 3 simple ways to remove rows with identical transactions in Excel. Download the workbook linked below. Feel free to share any questions or feedback in the comments, and visit excelinsider.com for more tutorials on Excel and Google Sheets.